guys, this is your math lesson for April 2nd. We are going to be continuing on with our customary measurement. Today we're going to be talking about weight. All right, so we're going to go back to my papers. So customary measurement, we're going to be talking about weight. So first of all, customary measurement, what it means for weight is to measure how heavy an object is. Tools to use: a balance scale, and just a scale. Okay, now our units of measurement. For weight, okay, we have 1 pound, which equals 16 ounces, and 1 ton equals 2,000 pounds. So our LB equals pound, OZ equals ounces, and our capital T equals ton. Guys, and that's all that they use for this one for our units of measurement, okay? So we're going to have some pretty simple math problems. And we're going to go ahead and start off with that right now. So we'll go to a different paper. So we're going to start with 23 pounds, and they want it to go to ounces. Okay. So we start off with 23 pounds, and we look, we're multiplying, and we're going to look, and we see that 1 pound we're going to go to ounces up here. So when we see ounces, we see that only 1 pound, okay, equals 16 ounces. Cross off the pound just like we have been all week. That means that we are multiplying 23 by 16. So 23 times 16. Okay, so 6 times 3 equals 18. Carry the 1. 6 times 2 equals 12. Plus 1, that's 13. Remember to carry your 0. One times 3 equals 3. 1 times 2 equals 2. Add them together. 8 plus 0 is 8. 3 plus 3 is 6. 1 plus 2 equals 3. So 23 pounds is actually 368 ounces. Right? So now we have the question. 6 tons equals how many pounds? Okay, well, let's go. We start with 6 tons. We know that 1 ton, okay, equals 2,000 pounds. Okay, so cross out our tons. 6 times 2,000, which would be 12,000 pounds. That's our answer. Okay, so let's say we have 352 ounces, and they want to go to pounds. Okay, well, we're going to start with 352. Ounces down here, we know that there's 16 ounces in 1 pound. Cross out. So that's actually going to be 352 divided by 16. Okay? 16 can go into 35 how many times? 2. 6 times 2 equals 12. Carry the 1. 2 times 1 is 2, plus 1 is 3. Subtract that. 3, bring down the 2. That'd be 2. So 352 ounces equals 22 pounds. Okay? So we're going to do a word problem. Okay, our word problem is Radha has a 5-pound bag of clay. Her craft project requires 5 ounces of clay for each batch of 6 ornaments. If she uses all of the clay, how many ornaments can Radha make? Okay, this is definitely a multiple step problem. Okay, so first of all, I want you to find out how many ounces is in 5 pounds. Okay, so we know that we're working with ounces, and we start with pounds. So we're going to go from 5 pounds, how many ounces? Okay, so 5, that should be LB. So we have 5 pounds, 1 pound is 16 ounces. Okay, cross out by pounds, and then it'll be 16 times 5. 5 times 6 is 30. Carry the 3. 5 times 1 is 5, plus 3, 8. So that'll be 80 ounces. Okay, so that's step number 1. Okay, let's go to step number 2. Says her craft project requires 5 ounces of clay for each batch of 6 ornaments. And they're asking us, if she uses all the clay, which is 80 ounces now, how many ornaments? Okay, so first of all, we want to see how many batches we need, which is 1 batch is 5 ounces. So let's do 80 ounces divided by 5 ounces. 5 goes into 8 1 time. 8 minus 5 is 3. Bring down the 0. 5 goes into 30 6 times. 16 ounces. Actually, it's just 16 batches. Okay? 16 batches. Okay, so we know that there's 16 batches, but they want to know how many ornaments. Okay, so our step number 3, if we have 16 batches, okay, and we're going to multiply. We have 1 batch, and there are 6 ornaments in 1 batch. So the batches, just like we've been doing all week with the other, this is just converting from a batch to a single ornament, okay? So we need to multiply 16 times 6. 6 times 6 is 36. 6 times 1 is 6, plus 3 is 9. So we can make 96 ornaments. Okay? I want you guys to remember, I know I went through this really fast for everybody, but you can always stop and pause Rewind it rewatch it as many times as you need to, okay? Your homework today is page, oh, there it is. Page 601, you're going to do numbers 2 through 17, and page 602, which is number 1 through 5. Okay, so it's front and back. Again, guys, rewind this. Make sure you are writing down the notes because that's a great way for you to look back. Okay. Like I said, I know I went through this really fast, but pause it, rewind it. That's all you need to do. Okay. We're going to continue on with measurement next week, and we're going to be going to metric measurement. Okay. If you have questions, make sure to email me with your questions. Okay. I hope you have a great day, and I will see you hopefully very soon.